In this quick and easy beginners friendly tutorial, I will show you how to create these sunflower seed beads earrings. Consider checking my membership option in description. For the price of a latte, you get exclusive content each week. Without further ado, let's get started. So what I'm using for this video are 6 colors of 11 seed beads: brown, black, dark orange, light orange, yellow and green. I use Fusionline, which is very similar to the popular Fireline, but use your favorite thread here. Size 11 beading needle or similar, earring findings and scissors. And I'm starting my work with 1.2 meters of thread, which is 4 feet, and I take 8 black beads. Okay, I'm going to slide those down. I will stick my needle in my mat. And here what I want to do is to make a knot, and I make it by making a loop here, going twice through the loop I've made. Then I pull really gently, guys, because I don't want to stuck any beads inside my loop, and then I make just one more knot. And I pull. Now I have these 8 beads in a circle. What I want to do next is go through the next 2 beads. I take 1 black bead and I go back in circle through the bead I'm exiting out of. I go into the next one. Take again 1 black and go back through this one and the next. By the way, if you don't have brown beads or don't have black beads, you could do the center in one color. I just prefer to do it in 2 colors. Okay, then I repeat the same thing. I go back in circle through the same bead I'm exiting out of, and I also go into the following just to save time, guys. And I pull. And this is something that I will continue doing until the end of this row. By the way, if you like this type of beading tutorials and you want to see more of my content, it's a great idea to subscribe with the black bell. In this way you will never miss a new design. And you could also like, share and comment. In this way we connect and get to know each other. Okay, and here I attach the last one. Okay, friends, now what I want to do is to zigzag from this one through this one, and don't worry that I'm changing direction at this step. Direction doesn't matter, the form, the shape matters that we create. Okay, so now I take 1 brown bead and I want to go in the neighbor black. In this way I'm filling in the gap that we have here. And by the way, you know what? It's easier for me if I flip my work in this direction. You see, because I'm right-handed, but by all means work in the direction that's easier for you. So I will continue adding brown beads here. Until I fill in this row. This row will consist of 16 beads. By the way, in my channel I have several other variations of sunflowers. I have a bracelet, and earrings that are larger. I will share some of them in description. Okay friends, and now I take 2 brown beads and I'm exiting out of this black, so I go back in circle through the same black, just like this, and I have these 2 attached to my work. Then I go into the next brown one. I take just 1 brown and I go back through this brown, through the following one, through the one that I'm exiting out of, and through the following one. I'm going through the following just to save one movement. Okay. Now I'm in a position to add the next brown bead. I go back like this and through the following. So the way we're adding the beads here is slightly different. Okay, so I'm adding 1, going here through the previous and through the one inside the row, and you see, now the holes are pointing in this direction when I arrange the beads in this manner. Okay friends, and I will continue this absolutely the same way until the end of this row, and when I am at the last step I'll meet you here and tell you what it is. Just continue absolutely the same movement and meet me. Okay friends, and I'm here where I'm adding my last 16th bead, and again I go through this one, through the one in the center, and through this one, and at this step, if you count, you need to have 16 beads, okay, if you work correctly. So here at this last bead I won't add any new beads, because I will use this one. If you recall, I added 2 at the first step, so I'm using one of those 2, just passing through it. Then I'm passing through the previous one that I just added and through the central one. In this way I'm closing all of these guys into a circle, going like this. And now, as I created this row with beads whose holes point in this direction, it comes the fun part. I take a dark orange bead, a light orange bead and a dark orange bead, and as I exit from this one, I go into the neighbor one from the outside to the center. Then I go into the neighbor one from the center to the outside. You see how fun it is? This part. Dark orange, light orange, dark orange, and I go from the outside to the center. Then I zigzag again from the center to the outside. It will be this zigzagging until the end of this row. Like that. And from the center to the outside, like this. And then I take this and outside to the center. And from the center to the outside. Okay, I will continue off camera with this 4 more times and I'll meet you at the last step here, guys. You see how fun it is? I just go from the outside to the center, just like this. Then from the center to the outside, and I exit through this orange bead. I take 1 light orange, 3 yellows and 1 light orange. And as I'm exiting from this orange, I skip the central bead, which is light orange, and I go into the next dark orange like this, and you see my first petal is created. Then again, in the familiar way, I zigzag from the center to the outside into the neighbor brown and then the dark orange. Then I have light orange, 3 yellows and light orange, and I go from the outside to the center just like this. You see how cute these are. By the way, you can leave it only with this row if you prefer, but I'll show you additional row that will make it look more like a sunflower. Okay, so you see how cute it is. Oh my god, I like it. And by the way, if you like how it all works up to here, there is another opportunity, which is to join the membership. When you join, you will get new exclusive content for members weekly. So I have a new tutorial for the members, new beading tutorial, video tutorial, or a PDF pattern. Each week they are united in video courses, the tutorials and the patterns, like in bundles. So every 5 weeks you get new course and a new bundle as a member. Members get access to my 40 newest and freshest PDF patterns that they can download from my website, and the older ones will be moved to store. So if you prefer to buy, you can definitely check the store as well in description. But for the membership, just for the price of a latte, you get all of these perks. And you can catch up with a gallery with 12 video courses, which are 60 tutorials. They are in progress, not only 11 are now live, but the 12th one is in progress. And also you will get the 40 PDF patterns that are rotating all the time. 40 patterns are $200 of value with $5 each, which is the average price on Etsy and similar websites. So it's totally worth it. Okay guys, now in my next step, what I want to do is to go through those beads, the dark orange, the light orange and the yellow, and I take 3 yellows and I go like this through the yellow and the light orange. I take 1 black bead and I go in this direction through the light orange and the yellow. Then I take 3 more yellows and I go through the yellow and the orange. And go like this through the light orange and the yellow. 3 yellows, go through the yellow and the light orange. 1 black and go into the light orange and the yellow. Again 3 yellows, and you can finish this, guys, absolutely the same way by adding 1 black and then 3 yellows everywhere. And when I'm done with this row, I'll meet you here. And when I continue, guys, absolutely the same way, I'm here at the last step and I'm going through the light orange and through the following yellow, just like this. And I take 3 green beads, an earring finding and 3 green beads. And as I'm exiting here through this yellow, I go symmetrically into the same yellow. Just like that, and I pull. I make sure it is between these, in the center. So here I have 3 and here I have 3. Then I go back through all of those beads, guys, this direction. And I go through these 3, through the earring finding, and through this following 3 one more time. Just like that. I zigzag through some beads and I want to create a knot and cut my thread. So I choose a place between 2 beads. I make a loop. I go twice through the loop I've made. I make sure I'm between those 2 beads where I started it from, and I pull. And then I can go through some beads. Just like that. And I cut this thread. Okay guys, and now my sunflower seed beads earrings are ready. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see similar absolutely free designs, consider subscribing with the black bell if you still haven't. In this way you will never miss a new upload. Consider also checking the membership option, where just for the price of a latte you get a rotating library of 40 PDF beading patterns that you can download from my website. It is always fresh and new because it contains my 40 latest uploads and bundles. With time you can create your own curated collection with these PDF patterns. You also get access to 12 video courses, which are 60 tutorials. The 12th one is in progress, and new uploads each week, whether it's pattern or video. It's always coming new and fresh, especially created with love for the members. All of this for the price of a latte. Check description and the join button. Now, see you guys in my next video.